Hey everyone, welcome back to the Kernelcon Meshtastic video series. In this video we're going to talk about how to get the Meshtastic firmware flashed to our newly constructed node that you just finished putting together. So the first thing we'll do is, if your node powers on and comes up, that's great. It'll have a screen that looks like this. It'll probably say LoRa error or something along those lines. Now if your node doesn't power on because it has a dead battery, you can just grab a USB-C cable and plug it in right here, and it'll charge and it'll start working after just a few minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is we've got our node on, we've got it to this LoRa error screen. We're going to put it in flash mode. So this button right here, so I'll unplug this, the button that's close to the antenna, we're going to push it 2 times kind of quickly. Click, click. And then we see that the screen changes, and I'll hold this up. You can see that it shows that it's in DFU mode, we call her. It's in a mode where we can actually flash firmware to it. So now that we've got this screen showing, we're going to just put this down. We're going to take our USB-C cable right here, and we're going to plug it in. And the other end of this USB-C cable is plugged into your Kernelcon laptop that's sitting on the table. So I'll switch over to the laptop now, and we'll see what we've got there. So when we plug the device in, the way that we get firmware to it is we go to the My PC menu here, and then it might be a different letter, but it's more than likely a D drive, but this HT stands for Heltec, and we can open this drive, and this is the storage on the Meshtastic node itself, and this is where we're going to put our Meshtastic firmware. So if you come over here, you'll see there's a Kernelcon folder. In the Kernelcon folder, there's a file called Meshtastic firmware, and you might see the file extension or not. What we're going to do is just copy this. We're going to do right-click, copy, and then we'll come over here and we'll do right-click, paste. I guess copy and paste are different, so we'll Control-C, copy, Control-V, paste. And then our file goes across. It's just copying it across. And then if we jump back over to our camera view, we can see that our device is still flashing and it's doing its thing. And we can see that our file operation just finished. That's what the beep was, that our device reboots automatically, and now it should boot right up into our Meshtastic firmware. And I'll record another video and post it up on how to get this configured and how to get it to join our custom Kernelcon Meshtastic channel for the conference. Thanks.